Hey YouTube, we have a Lord of Tachyon Galaxy box opening for y'all, and let's get started. It's Konami sealed and everything. There we go. Can you open it? Alright. Guess we'll start this side. There's the rare. There's the rare. It's another rare. A super rare. Did we not get a rare in this? Oh, there it is. Yeah, we got a Constellar Sombre. Another rare. So far, one super. The same rare. We got some of those red dragons everyone's wants. Oh, an ultimate rare? What is this? We got the rare dragon right here, the earth one. Just set that aside. Another rare. Super rare. So far it's two supers and an ultimate. Still waiting for that secret. Whoa! Are you serious? Dragossack. No. We got a Dragossack. Damn. It's awesome. Alright, let's keep going. Another rare. Damn, that just made my day. Another rare. Gosh, well that pretty much just makes the box. Dragossack right there. But let's continue. This is another super rare. A rare. super rare. What is this? Fire formation? Okay. An ultra rare. Scramble. Ultra rare. Number C105. Yeah. We got 5 packs. 5 packs left. Ooh, blaster. Nice. Gear, I don't know, something about gear is. Last 3 packs. And here it is, last pack. And a rare. Alright, well, let's do a little quick recap. Just give me a sec. Alright, we got 2 of the dragons, blaster and the rock one, and then super rares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 2 ultras and 1 ultimate, and the big money, the Drago sack. And everything's for trade or sale. Just leave us a PM. And thanks for watching.